What's up, YouTube? This is Chazz Miller, and I'm back at you with another video. Now, I've talked about how I've gotten into yo-yoing, and I talked about, what yo-yoing means to me on a personal level. This time, I just want to talk about some of the most amazing things that's ever happened to me as a professional yo-yoer. And I'm just going to jump into it because I think I have like 5 minutes on this video, so here we go. 2015. This was pretty amazing. I got invited and I auditioned for this student talent show, and I wasn't even a student at the time, but they really wanted me in their talent show, so I ended up auditioning, and I got in, and I didn't even expect to win anything, but I got second place, and it was pretty amazing. And yeah, it was just an honor because I knew they needed talent at the time, and they always saw me yo-yoing in the hallway, and they were like, we got to get this guy on our talent show. So, I was more than honored to be in that. I didn't expect to even win anything because it's the first time I won anything for my yo-yoing, and it was just amazing. So that was number one. Number two would have to be meeting Adam Kreiser. This was 2016. I didn't know the kid at the time, and he walked up to me and was like, "Yo, Chazz Miller." This was at the Ohio State Yo-Yo contest, and he was like, "Yo, Chazz, I watch your videos all the time, man." And this kid, turned out that he was from Lancaster, like I am, and he loved what I did. He watched my yo-yo videos. He wanted to meet me in person, and at that time, it was just one of those moments where I was like, this is what I love doing, and this kid wanted to meet me, man, and that's what it's all about, man. He just wanted to meet me, because he liked what I did, and he liked my videos, and we ended up hanging out and yo-yoing ever since then, man. And great kid. The third thing is probably, this girl's birthday party. I got invited to yo-yo to. I talked to her grandma, and she's like, you should come yo-yo at my granddaughter's birthday party. And it was amazing, man. Like, the kids were all having a good time. And the girl, the granddaughter, was actually pretty quiet and shy. And all the other kids were thrilled to have me there. And I knew she liked unicorns, so I was like, give me your unicorn hat. And I took it from the grandma. I put the unicorn hat on. And she was all happy after that, man. She had like the biggest smile on her face. And that's what it's all about, man. And I actually have the card she sent me to. It says, "Thanks for making my party wonderful." And she actually signed it on there. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. And then the fourth thing is probably the Lancaster Festival. I've been doing that for like a decade, man, and they're always very supportive, and they always want me to yo-yo. And they sent me cards too. They said that we couldn't have done it without you. And so thanks to the Lancaster Festival. Now I want to get into my favorite moment, because this was amazing. This is I don't even know where to begin, man. So I ended up contacting the Amazing Giants, and I asked them if I could feature my yo-yoing, you know what I mean? And and what they do, because they're like an entertainment company and they do all kinds of circus things. And Jessica Menschel, the owner, actually contacted me and emailed me and everything, and invited me to be in her circus show, which was like, hell yeah, dude, I'm doing this, man. And so she invited me to do that. And then she ended up making me like the opening act too, which was pretty amazing, man. And, oh my gosh, man, these guys, if you don't know the Amazing Giants, check them out. They're based in Columbus, and they just do so many things, man. So many different talents out there, and you gotta check them out, man. The Amazing Giants. But this one really got me because, she wanted me, man. She wanted me to be featured as her opening act, to open up for the Giants, and that was just, it was amazing, man. And that day, man, at the end of that night, the moment that really defined me was this kid, man. And at the end of the show, he put his arms out, and he wanted to give me like the biggest hug in the world, man. He came darting after me, had the biggest smile on his face, and this kid just like put his arms out, put his arms around me, and held me, man. And at that moment, it was like, you know, this is what I love doing. I made this kid's day, and I just became like a hero to him, man. And those are the moments that I live for, man, right there. That kid, man, it's amazing, man. So those are like my favorite moments right there. And here's the card Jessica sent me. Yeah, this is what I live for, man. And thanks to the amazing Giants. And I'm Chazz, man. Live for love, live to play.
This is what I live for, man. Thanks to the amazing Giants. And I'm Chazz, man. Live for love, live to play.